Good morning, class. In the last lecture, we are studied derivatives formulae or also by heart, and now in this lecture we start exponential and logarithmic formulas, and this formula also we are by heart. So ये भी फॉर्मूले हमको आज के आज ही बाय हार्ट करना है. उसके लिए मैं भी हमारे लेक्चर का टाइम दूंगा आपको. वो टाइम निकल के आप एक्सपोनेंशियल के, लॉगरिथमिक के और बहुत सारे फार्मूले बाय हार्ट कर दो. लास्ट लेक्चर में जो हमने फार्मूले लिए थे डेरिवेटिव के, वो आपके बाय हार्ट हो गए होंगे, ऐसे मैं मानता हूँ. इसलिए अभी नेक्स्ट फार्मूले देखते हैं, एक्सपोनेंशियल एंड लॉगरिथमिक. फर्स्ट देखते हैं कौन सा है. फर्स्ट इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन. In the example, some example they give e raised to x, otherwise e raised to 2x, e raised to inverse of x, नहीं तो e raised to minus x, नहीं तो e raised to ax plus b raised to 2. सो इस तरीके से कुछ एग्जांपल दिया रहेगा तो हमको एक्सपोनेंशियल फार्मूले यूज़ करना है. मीन्स एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन का यूज़ करके ये सारे फार्मूले हम यूज़ करेंगे. The first is d by dx of e raised to x, so they gives e raised to x. We know that this formula we are already learned, e raised to x, so they gives e raised to x. Then e raised to ax plus b, so they gives e raised to ax plus b multiplied by a. So some type example they give e raised to ax plus b. This derivative is e raised to ax plus b multiplied by a. Now e raised to f of x, so we write first e raised to f of x, and raised to में जो है उसका डेरिवेटिव मीन्स f dash of x. Then next d by dx of a of x, so they gives a of x multiplied by log of a, so they gives log of a. Now here capital A raised to ax plus b, this derivative means derivative of a raised to ax plus b, so they gives a raised to ax plus b multiplied by log of a multiplied by small a. Now another is capital A of f of x, so we write a of f of x, then log of a f dash of x. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 formula of exponential function. So only here 6 formulae, so only 5 minutes, 5 or 6 minutes to learn and by heart these formulas. Then next is logarithmic formulas. Now we are studying logarithmic formulas. First is very simple, so d by dx of log of x, so they gives 1 by x. So okay देगा हमको 1 by x. Now d by dx means derivative of log of ax plus b, so they gives, so ax plus b we can assume that this is x, so they give 1 divided by x means ax plus b and multiply by a, because a is a coefficient of x, so they are multiply here. So d by dx of log of ax plus b, so they gives 1 divided by ax plus b multiply by a. Then next is d by dx means so derivative of log of f of x. Here function we are logarithmic of function, so they give 1 by f of x, then f of x could differentiate means f dash of x. Same here, f of x means x, so they give 1 by x, then इसको differentiate करेंगे means a x b को, so they give a. So here also same, इसको differentiate करेंगे f of x को, so they give f dash of x. So here ax plus b we are differentiate, so b constant get cancelled, and here x, so only a is a constant, so they give a, so a is multiply here, and f of x differentiate means differentiate of f of x, so they give f dash of x. So here 1 divided by f of x multiply by f dash of x. Then fourth is the d by dx of log of x to the base a. Here they give log of a, log of to the base a है. तो अगर इधर लॉग ऑफ बेस में ए आएगा तो हम डेरिवेटिव अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए हमको फर्स्ट यूज रूल ऑफ चेंज ऑफ बेस. सो ये रूल यूज करके हम log of x to the base e divided by log of a to the base e. So here log of 1 by log of a is a constant, so we are outside, we write outside 1 by log of a multiplied by 1 by x is equal to 1 divided by x multiplied by log of a. Then these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 formula also we know that, sorry 7. So they gives log of m multiplied by n, so we can write log of m plus log of n. Here plus, so they are multiply, and the here minus, so they are division. So log of m divided by n, so they give log of n minus log of n. So log of m minus log of n. Then log of m to the power n, so they give n multiplied by log of n, and the log of a to the base a, so they gives 1, and log of 1, so they gives 0, and here log of a to the power log of a to the p, log of a raised to log of p to the base a. Here base a or these base are same, so we write only p. So this is p. So here also e or e base same, here r, so we write r. Then change rule of the rule of change of base. So log of m to the base n, so log of m divided by log of n. So these 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, this formula we are studying in a semester 1. सो ये ऑलरेडी हमारा स्टडी हो चुका है सेमेस्टर 1 में, तो फिर से देख रहे हैं हम. We know that here addition, so we take log of m multiplied by n, means we take here multiplication, and here they gives minus sign, so we apply here division, means log of n, so sorry log of m divided by log of n, so they give log of m minus log of n. Then m to the power n, so we can write n, means here power n is come here, and n multiplied by log of m, and here base and these values are same, means log of a to the base a, so answer is 1, and here log of 1, so they gives 0. Then these also we know that is a here base a to the log of p to the base a, so they gives p, and here e log of r to the base e, here b base e is the same, so we write r. And rule of change of base, we know that log of m to the base n, so m divided by n, so log of m divided by log of n. So we use this logarithmic rule and solve the sums. Now next, derivative of inverse function. So we are also studying inverse function, or so many problems solved inverse function and trigonometric inverse function also. So here sine inverse of sine of x, so they gives x, means sine inverse and sine inverse and sine get cancelled, means so they gives x, and cos inverse cos of x, so they gives also x, and tan inverse tan of x, so they gives x, and also sine sine of sine inverse of x, so they gives also x, means here sine inverse are, means here sine inverse of sine of x, and here sine of sine inverse of x, so both they give x, and here cos inverse of cos of x and cos of cos inverse of x, so also they give x, and tan inverse of tan of x and tan of tan inverse of x, so they also give a x. But here sine inverse 1 by x, so they gives cos x inverse of x, and cos inverse of 1 by x, so they gives sec inverse of x, and tan 1 by x is equal to cos inverse of x. So this formula also you want by heart it. So ये भी आपको करना चाहिए क्योंकि ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। 1 2 3 4 ये आपको चाहिए, मतलब चाहिए, बाय हार्ट होना चाहिए आप पे, तभी आप मीन्स अगर साइन इन्वर्स मीन्स साइन इन्वर्स 1/x रहेगा और आपको कॉस इन्वर्स चाहिए, तो ये आपको फॉर्मूले याद होना चाहिए कि मैं साइन की जगह कॉस इन्वर्स ले सकता हूँ। देन sine inverse minus x, so they use minus sine inverse of x. Then cos inverse minus x, so they use pi minus cos inverse of x. Then tan inverse minus x, so they use tan inverse of x. Now suppose if x is greater than 0 and y also greater than 0, so your multiplication means product is less than 1. So both are greater than 0 and xy is less than 1. Then tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. And here x is greater than 0 and y also greater than 0, and this x and y is greater than 1, here less than 1 and here greater than 1. Then tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse x plus y divided by 1 minus xy plus pi. Here not a pi, but here add pi, because these x and y are greater than 1, so we add here pi. Then seventh one, x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0, then tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. Here both are minus sign, but here x and y are greater, so we add here pi, and otherwise same. And here tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y, so they give tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. Here sign are change, minus, and here plus. So these also formulas are very important. Now next is the derivative of inverse trigonometric function use substitution. Means we can substitute, so we use these formulae. Now we are put here tan of x, we are substitute tan of x, means x is equal to tan of theta. So we are substitute sine of 2 theta, so we can write 2 sine of theta cos of theta. Also write 2x under root 1 minus x square, here x is sine of theta or cos of theta. Then we know that sine of 2 theta means 2 tan of theta divided by 1 plus tan square of theta, so we substitute tan of theta is equal to x, so 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Now here cos of 2 theta, we can also write these and in this way, 3 type, means cos of 2 theta, 3 answers, 1 2 and 3, that is 1 minus 2 sine square of theta, 2 cos square of theta minus 1, then 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square of x. So here we put sine of theta, that is x, so 1 minus 2x square. Now cos of theta is equal to x, so 2x square minus 1, and tan of x is equal to x, so 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Then 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, so they gives 2x divided by 1 minus x square. So we put here x is a tan of theta. Now we know that also sine of 3 theta, cos of 3 theta and tan of 3 theta, so they gives 3 sine of theta minus 4 sine of theta. So this formula we are already learning in a semester 1. Which one? Sine of 3 theta, cos of 3 theta, tan of 3 theta means these one. Then cos of 2 theta, so cos of 2 theta, sine of 2 theta. So these formula we are already learn in a semester 1 trigonometric, means unit 1 also. Unit also 1. So ये तो हमको मालूम है फॉर्मूला, इट इज़ 3 sin of theta minus 4 sin cube of theta, so they gives, so we here write we are substitute sin of theta is equal to x, sin of theta is equal to x, So 3x minus 4x cube. Here also cos of x is equal to theta. Cos of theta is equal to x. So 4x cube minus 3x, and here 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. So we substitute tan of theta is equal to x. So in this way we are substituting and use tan of 2 theta, tan of 3 theta, sin of 3 theta, cos of 3 theta and solve examples. जब हम ये सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं तो हमको एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करने के लिए बहुत ईजी हो जाता है. नाउ दिस फार्मूला हाउ कैन यूज. सो फर्स्ट नाउ वी टेक वन एग्जाम्पल फॉर दिस फार्मूलाज. So differentiate sin inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square with respect to x. So here y is equal to sin inverse 2x divided by 1 plus x square. So putting x is equal to tan of x. Here we put x, that is tan of theta. So we put here x is equal to tan of theta, means we use this formula. So वो क्या हो जाएगा, 2 tan of theta divided by 1 plus tan square of theta, means क्या हो जाएगा वो sin of 2 theta. So here 2 tan of theta 1 plus tan square of theta, so that is sin of 2 theta. We know that sin inverse of means sin inverse of sin of theta, so they use only theta, means sin inverse sin of x, so they use x. x क्या है इधर 2 theta, means y is equal to 2 theta, और theta means tan inverse of x, so y is equal to 2 multiplied by tan inverse of x. Then with differentiate with respect to x, we are differentiating, so dy by dx, so 2, then tan inverse को differentiate करेंगे तो 1 divided by 1 plus x square, so they gives 2 divided by 1 plus x square. तो इस तरीके से वो हमको फार्मूला यूज़ करना है, क्योंकि अगर इसको हम डिफ्रेंशिएट कैसे करेंगे हमको बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क लग जाएगा कि इसको कैसे सॉल्व करना है. तो अगर हमको सारे के सारे फार्मूले बाय हार्ट होंगे, मीन्स इधर हम कौन सा फार्मूला यूज सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं. इधर हमने सब्स्टिट्यूट किया x इज इक्वल टू tan ऑफ थीटा. सो tan ऑफ थीटा पुट करने के बाद इधर क्या आ गया कि sin ऑफ 2 थीटा आ गया. नाउ साइन इनवर्स ऑफ साइन ऑफ x, सो दे गिव्स x, वो भी हमने आज ही पढ़ा, सो वो इधर यूज़ किया. देन डिफ्रेंशिएट करेंगे विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x, सो दे गिव्स dy बाई dx 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर. सो इसलिए हमको सारे के सारे जो फार्मूले हैं हमारे पास वो बाय हार्ट करना है. तो अभी हमारे पास आधा घंटा है. सो जो हमने आज जितने भी फार्मूले लर्न किए, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक मीन्स इनवर्ट ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन, दैन ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन, लॉगरिथमिक, एक्सपोनेंशियल, वो बाय हार्ट करो. नाउ वी आर स्टॉप हियर. नाउ इन दिस नेक्स्ट लेक्चर और सम फार्मूले लेंगे.